Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my third daily goodie box, and if you guys want to get one of these boxes, make sure that you're interacting with them on their social media page. That's the best way to get one. First time watching, I suggest that you go through the playlist and look at some of the other great products that they've given. So what you would do is go to their website, which will be linked down below, and you can sign up and you'll have the chance to get a daily goodie box. So let's get started. The first thing are these Flathau shortbread cookies in the cinnamon flavor. These were so good. Oh my god. For a nice little sweet treat, these are perfect. And just to let everyone know, every single thing that you see will be linked below, so you can find them if you want to purchase them. These are little fruit snacks. They are way better for you than the ones that you would get at the store. So they're only 70 calories for that little packet, and they gave me 2, and they are both gone now. They're actually pretty good. Do they look like emojis? Not really, but that doesn't even matter. So next are these RawRev organic bars. I've actually had one of these before in the last video, I do believe. Only it was like brownie batter and it was really good. This one was really good too. So the next thing is this Good Karma dairy-free flax milk with omega-3s and protein in the lightly sweetened vanilla flavor. I already buy Good Karma milk, but I didn't know that they came in the single serve. So that was good to see, and it tastes great just like the other. And I love that you can read the ingredients in them. So next I received this DayClear allergy relief. That is the entire dose, which was strange to see such a big dose. But yeah, definitely we will be taking this and probably using the coupon to get more because the pollen is not playing this year. Like, it's too early for it and I'm just over it already. So then this is a little Real Chemistry foaming cleanser, face cleanser, like more of a on the natural side cleanser. So that's just a great little sample that you can just like put in your travel bag. So the next thing is this 4th & Heart Ghee butter, Madagascar vanilla bean flavor from grass-fed cows. So this is like a little squeeze packet. You can just throw these in your purse whenever you want something like flavorful on your bread or pastry or something like that. And if you don't know what ghee is just clarified butter, and they use it a lot in other cultures, India specifically. Next is this Aromatherapy dough, but it's more like a slime actually, and it's by the company called Loaf Slime. It is a new idea. It's an aromatherapy slime, so you can play with it and poke it and prod it, whatever you want to do. But it has essential oils, lavender essential oils in it, so it's going to relax you as you do that. Of course, don't eat it. I like that they have that on there. But I would keep this away from your kids, or at least be with them if you choose to let them play with it. Thing is this Foods Alive Himalayan pink salt. I love pink salt. It's the only salt that we use here at the house. It's great. It has a great texture, a great flavor. It's healthy for you, and I actually keep a little mason jar salt shaker next to my bed, so that's exactly what I did with that. So these are Goodwipes down there wipes. For down there, ladies, we always need a little bit of help down there. They are flushable and super soft, so that's great. You can throw them in your gym bag, throw them in your purse. So here is the information card for that one, and that was the last product. So what's left in the box will usually be information cards and coupons. So I have a buy one get one free, RawRev, and there's an information card about that foaming cleanser, and also a coupon code. And here's just another information card for Good Karma. And like I was saying earlier, there's a coupon on the back of this one. So definitely we will probably be using this because like I said, it's crazy out there right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.